Welcome back to the channel. Hit the like and subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Today we're going to be covering the new update for the PlayStation 5, which just came out for the beta testers. This is if you have signed up to be a beta tester and have been accepted into the program. There are some new features that they will be sending out, and you'll get a special invitation with a redeem code that you can use, and then we'll be able to download the newest update for the public. Now, there are some new update versions for it, including 1440p video output has been expanded on the PlayStation 5, which we've gotten that, but now we also have the variable refresh rate is supported at 1440p resolution. More modes and HDMI devices are now supported. To check if your HDMI device supports this, go to the settings, and then you can go ahead and test that output. You can also now transfer data between PlayStation 5 consoles, much easier. You can also join Discord voice chats on your PlayStation 5. So this is something that has been discussed on Reddit and a lot of people are looking for. Voice commands now support using your voice to save video clips of your gameplay. Just say, hey PlayStation, capture that, save video clip of your recent gameplay. The default duration saved is based on your settings. And there's a couple of other things that you can see right there as well on that update. Other features would be the following improvements have been made on the screen reader feature. The screen reader now gives more detailed guidance when navigating the console. When using screen reader in the web browser, you'll see borders around the section that being read aloud. You also have the following features have been added to Game Hub. Every game will have a timer on the Game Hub, tracking total time played. You can have a friends who play title has been added as well. The trophy title has been moved and updated to its easier and access and display your trophy progress. And as you can see, there's some other ones as well. We can kind of scroll through here. They also made following improvements to game library. You can now decide on default sort order for games within game list. Use filters in your library for easily find PSVR and PSVR 2 compatible games. Hence the PSVR 2, because it's coming out shortly, and hopefully we can get our hands on that one and test it. And then you have other settings as well. You also have downloading or installing a game. The way you save data is checked has been changed, and you can now select which media gallery files to manually upload to capture on PlayStation app. Existing content policies still apply, and you have other options as you can see. More and more. The hint system has been expanded to display a list of objectives in the game provides them. Select any objective to see a more detailed video or text hint. They've updated device software for DualSense wireless controller, so this is actually a pretty decent one. DualSense Edge wireless controller and PlayStation VR Sense controllers. The update will improve stability. You can now update the DualSense wireless controller device software with a wireless connection. If you have trouble updating the device software wirelessly, connect your controller to your PlayStation 5 using the USB cable to update it. You'll be able to update wirelessly for the next update. DualSense Edge wireless controller and PSVR 2 Sense controllers already support wireless updates for the device software. This update isn't required for performing wireless updates for these controllers. And you also have the following issues and problems have been resolved. An issue causing some IPS LCD monitors to flicker when VR variable refresh rate is turned on was fixed. And these are some of the limitation that you'll see and cautions. So this is version beta 2.007, and this is the winter update. So we'll go ahead and install it, and we'll check the stability as well as some other things, and we'll try to make more content based off of that. If you guys want to see more content or anything in specific, go ahead and put that in the comments, and we'll try to get that information to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.